The Collision Mitigation Braking System, or CMBS, is designed to alert drivers when it detects a potential frontal collision, and, if one is imminent, to apply the brakes to mitigate the severity of a possible impact. When a potential frontal collision is detected, the system is designed to issue a visual alert in the instrument panel, vibrate the steering wheel, and make a beeping noise. CMBS uses a radar unit mounted at the front of the vehicle and a windshield-mounted camera to gauge the distance of a detected vehicle or pedestrian ahead. You can adjust the system to issue the alerts when the detected vehicle is either farther away or closer to your vehicle. With the ignition on and the transmission in park, press the home button on the steering wheel. Then press the up and down arrows until settings is highlighted in the driver information interface. Press the enter button. Press the up and down arrows to highlight vehicle customization and press enter. Then use the arrow buttons to find driver assist system setup and press enter. Press the up and down arrows to highlight forward collision warning distance and press enter. Now you can scroll with the up and down arrows through your choices. The long setting warns you while the detected vehicle is farther away. Normal is the default setting from the factory, and short warns you when the detected vehicle is closer to you. When your desired setting is displayed, press enter to select it. Now, scroll with the up and down arrows until you see exit, and press enter. And to leave the customization area entirely, just press the home button. If you want to turn CMBS off, press and hold the CMBS button to the left of the steering column until a beep sounds. The system will default to on when the ignition has been turned off and restarted. CMBS may be able to slow the vehicle down, but it may not always be enough to prevent a collision. The system will not detect all possible obstacles. CMBS might deliver a false warning. As always, control of the vehicle remains with the driver. Failure to take action could result in a collision. See the owner's manual for complete system details and warnings.